Imagine a scenario where traditional search and rescue efforts are hampered by challenging terrains and fading daylight. That's where our superstars, the AI-powered drones, come into play. They are equipped with autonomous navigation systems that allow them to swiftly and accurately cover vast areas. For instance, in recent operations, drones have been able to search an area 5 times larger than a human team can in the same amount of time, highlighting their efficiency. Picture a dedicated rescue team on the ground working tirelessly, but what if they could have eyes in the sky? With AI drones integrating real-time data collection and analysis, teams can not only pinpoint a person's location more effectively, but can do so while ensuring that every second counts. This advancement is like having a superhero partner during critical missions. Let's break it down. Traditional methods often require at least 50 personnel and heavy equipment. But what if I told you that a single AI drone could effectively achieve the same results with just one operator, covering a search area of 100 square kilometers? That's a game changer. It's not just about speed. It's about saving lives while minimizing resource usage. When it comes to military applications, AI drones are not trailing far behind either. Companies like Red Cat Holdings are pioneering drone technology that integrates advanced AI for critical operations. By utilizing AI for target detection, tracking, and autonomous operation, these drones can execute missions that would otherwise pose risks to human soldiers. Let's take a look at the numbers. The AI and drone technology market is projected to soar to a staggering $206.9 billion by 2033, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 32.4%. These numbers are backed by solid innovations, as industries recognize the potential of drones in enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. It shows that we are not just dreaming. We are building a tech-savvy future. I had the opportunity to speak with leading industry experts, and they emphasized the innovative strides being made. They pointed out how AI-driven drones can analyze vast amounts of data in real time. Imagine collecting and processing data from a disaster site within hours. Drones are enabling this day in and day out. For a more hands-on perspective, companies like Xenatech are at the forefront of drone tech. Their Xenadrone 1000 models are designed not just for search and rescue, but also for agriculture, defense, and logistics. These multifaceted drones mean that businesses can seamlessly integrate innovative technology into their operations, resulting in heightened safety, compliance, and efficiency. In the agricultural sector, AI drones are proving to be invaluable. Farmers report increases in crop yields due to the efficiency of drone monitoring. One study showed a reported 30% increase in yields through precise input management using drone data. The data-driven decision-making provided by drones allows farmers to use their resources wisely and effectively. AI drones are not confined to just these sectors. They are revolutionizing aerial surveillance, climate monitoring, and even logistics, streamlining delivery processes. Think about the last time you received a package. What if drones could ensure swift, autonomous delivery, reaching you even faster? At the heart of this transformation is our community. I genuinely appreciate your interest and support as we explore the latest advancements in technology together. Your feedback helps us grow, and I'm dedicated to improving the content quality we provide on this channel. It's not just about information. It's about building an engaged, supportive community. Behind the scenes, I've been working diligently to enhance video quality, ensuring that each episode not only informs but entertains. I truly value every one of you who takes the time to watch, comment, and share your ideas on what you'd like to see next. Together, let's uncover the impactful technology shaping our future. It's an exciting time to witness the rapid advancements happening right before our eyes. The integration of AI with drone technology signifies a leap not just in capability, but in redefining how we tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from disaster response to efficient agricultural practices. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI drones revolutionizing industries? Do you see a future where they become commonplace in everyday life? Comment below, and let's discuss your ideas. Every comment matters and contributes to our growing community. Envision a day where drones assist in everything from deliveries to health monitoring. That future isn't far away. It's already in motion with the technologies being developed today. Reinforcing the message of hope, we can all contribute to a technology-driven society that is equal and efficient. As I prepare for upcoming drone showcases and exhibitions, you can expect exciting insights and coverage. These events are pivotal in showcasing new innovations and how they will fit into our lives. So, stay tuned for exciting footage and interviews with industry leaders. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key benefits of AI drone technology: enhanced efficiency, reduced operational costs, ability to operate in dangerous environments, and providing real-time data insights. These technologies are not just tools. They're companions in tackling challenges we face globally. Military collaboration with AI drones is also a significant area of growth. They enhance mission success while keeping our soldiers safer. As new systems like the Red Cat Teal drones enter the market, we can foresee a future where human-drone teamwork results in flawless operation execution. It's truly empowering to see how industries are eagerly adopting and supporting the integration of drones into their operations. Be it for search and rescue missions or precision agriculture, the enthusiasm surrounding drone technology is palpable. What are you most excited about? Let's dive into a countdown of the most popular AI drone innovations out there. From Xenotech's pioneering work to wildlife conservation efforts utilizing drones, there are more uses than you might think, proving just how versatile this technology truly is. Real-life success stories are coming forward as these drones revolutionize industries. For instance, a recent rescue mission using AI drones highlighted their ability to locate individuals lost in wilderness areas in a fraction of the time it would have taken traditional methods. The effectiveness of AI drones is underscored by statistics. Studies reveal they can increase operational efficiency by up to 70%. That's incredible. It highlights why industries are investing heavily in integrating this technology. It's not just about the present, but also about future-proofing operations. Let's celebrate the ongoing innovations resulting from AI and drone technology. From successful search and rescue missions to commercial ventures, it's essential to acknowledge those involved in pushing these boundaries. Together, we've witnessed the incredible possibilities of technology. Looking ahead, what's next for drone technology? Experts forecast more automation, improved AI algorithms, and integrations that will support even more complex tasks. The key takeaway? This technology is dynamically evolving, and we're all part of it. As we wrap up, let's remember the importance of community and technology advancements. Events that bring together enthusiasts, professionals, and curious minds help foster collaboration and innovation. I hope to see you at our next community event to explore these exciting technologies together. To engage you further, here's a fun quiz about drone technology. What innovation excites you the most about AI drones? Is it the search and rescue applications, military capabilities, or their role in agriculture? Comment your choice below, and let's spark a conversation. It's incredible to think of how far drone technology has come in the last few years. Just a few years back, they were mainly used for photography. Now, we're witnessing a full-scale revolution that incorporates AI, making these drones integral in countless industries around the globe. As we embrace this excitement and innovation, we must emphasize responsible drone usage. It's vital for industries to prioritize safety, privacy, and community engagement. As the technology progresses, it's our duty to ensure it benefits everyone. During major events, drones' capabilities truly shine. They've been used for aerial photography, crowd management, and even traffic monitoring, showcasing seamless integration into public lives without disrupting the enjoyment of those attending. The future impact of AI drones on our daily lives is something to reflect upon. Imagine ordering a meal and having it delivered by a drone in minutes. This isn't merely a dream, but a glimpse of what might soon be commonplace in our lives. Collaboration across industries will be the linchpin for optimizing the usage of AI drones. By working together and sharing knowledge, we can build a future that embraces both innovation and considers the societal impact of such advancements. As new partnerships are forged, the excitement continues to build. When companies in this space collaborate, they contribute to a collective knowledge pool that propels the drone industry forward and leads to even more groundbreaking innovations. Enabling innovative drone deployment is essential. Areas that were once hard to reach are now within grasp for these aerial wonders. This connectivity opens doors to solutions we've only recently begun to realize. To harness the power of our community's voices, I'm excited to announce forums where we can discuss the nuances of this technology and its applications thoroughly. I encourage everyone to join in, share your thoughts, and engage. As we look forward to upcoming tech expos, I can't wait to bring you insights from the forefront of drone technology. It's an excellent opportunity to witness and experience the cutting-edge innovations that will shape our future. As we chart the journey of technology, each innovation brings us closer to creating an environment where our daily lives are enriched through intelligent solutions. Let's embrace this journey together, celebrating each milestone along the way. In our next episode, we will explore specific case studies showcasing successful implementations of AI drones in various sectors. You'll definitely want to join us for that deep dive. Mark your calendars and stay tuned.